Hello everyone, welcome back. I hope my voice is clear to you. I know this is a gap. This is a very huge gap between two videos. All my fault due to some illness and due to some hectic work schedule. It was not possible for me to upload any video or to record the video. Today I got on Saturday, so I'm recording it. Okay. So let's jump up to the topic. Topic is I have discussed in previous video about data types. Mainly three data types I have discussed. That is integer. Second is float, and third is character or the string. Okay. So in this session, we will discuss about one more data type, that is Boolean. Of course, who are from electronic background or a technical background knows what the meaning of Boolean, which can only state two values, that is true or false, or we can say one or zero. Okay. So you are familiar with this screen. Okay. This is on replit.com. Okay. Here we do our coding. I'm just telling you because some of you might be forgotten what he has taught in his previous video. Okay. Okay. Just forgive me for that. Okay. So in this video, we will discuss about one more data type, that is Boolean, and we will see about data conversion, that is casting, data casting, whatever we can call it. So without wasting time, let's start the session. Okay. So we will just see first of all some of the uh, things that we have learned. Let's have a recap of that. Okay. Okay. So I will tell you if you are watching my 805 microcontroller series, I will tell you in that series that how the CPU works, how the RAM works. See, whenever I write something, the CPU has huge access to its processors. Okay, let me. Okay, wait a minute. I will show you when it appears. Okay, especially when I run the code, it will process it harder. Okay, see, as soon as I started writing the program, the RAM is increasing and the CPU is also increasing. It is a processing and it's storing the current data. Okay, that is a simple thing. Okay, but it is demonstrating and I just notice it. That's why I'm explaining. Okay, so without so let's write some s equals to that is I equals to integer, f is equal to float, of course. S equals to string. What string should I write? There is Independence Day nearby, so I will write India. Okay. Then I have told you I will introduce some new data type, that is Boolean. Let's explore that. I will just write. Don't headache your head. Okay. So let's just take that. Whenever you are writing Boolean and you are writing true or false, and considering that the computer or the compiler will think it as an Boolean, just have your T in caps lock. Okay. Whenever you write T in your smaller alphabet, it will not consider as an Boolean. Especially, we will do a mistake. We will try. In life also, you must do first mistake, then only you will learn all the things up. Okay, that is one song that I have just before recording session. I just hearing out on Spotify. इस प्यार कई बार होता है like that. You must failures भी कई बार होते हैं. Okay, okay, I have done it correctly, okay, but I will done it. Okay. So okay, मैंने define तो कर दिए सारे. I have defined all the variables. Now I have to give instruction है. Define तो कर उसका क्या? उसका use क्या है? Same question asked by my project guide. Project तो बता दिया. उसका importance क्या है? The thing that our project guide expecting that you should introduce or you should create something like that is patentable. Okay, that is not invented by anyone at this level. Okay, and they also expect all 100% attendance. Okay, so that is not possible now. We have to do research for that, and we require time. Okay, so it is not possible. That's it. Okay, like that. You should also learn other languages also. Like प्यार कई बार होता है. पाइथन से प्यार होने के बाद सी से जावा से भी प्यार करो. Okay, it is must language. Okay, required for you. Actually, I'm making my work harder now. Okay, right, by writing print again and again. But all I'm doing for you, so you must consider that and also do simultaneously or parallelly with me, so that you can do not waste your time, because time is money, and if you miss your time, you will lose your local train. Yeah, you will lose your local train. That can only be understood by the struggler who goes daily by local trains in Mumbai. Okay, I'm just talking to you because you must not be bored while typing. Whoever just watching this video and by sleeping or by doing something else, okay, they should not be get bored because they are not doing simultaneously. Okay, and later they will comment on that in this video that what is this? This is that. This will be learned by in our college also. Okay, the fact that when you do simultaneously, you will learn a lot. Yeah, I had done a mistake that what it is said. Name true is not defined. Did you mean true? Yeah, the artificial intelligence telling me that you should write P in capital. Okay, that's the power of AI. Okay, so I have seen one app or one AI that take fees out of your to be your friend. Okay, yeah. Okay, that takes your fees to be your friend and talk with you as your soul. Yeah, as your self soul. So how to the extent this AI is growing? Okay, we should just stop this development. Otherwise, it will be harmful for humanity and humans too. So see, I is integer, B F is float, S is string, B1 and B2 are Boolean. Yeah, that's about I was telling to you. True and false are considered as Boolean. 0 and 1 is also considered as Boolean. Okay, just the matter of fact. So I hope you understand Boolean data type. So we will now do what is the main objective of this session, that is data conversion. We'll first do conversion of float and string to the integer type. Okay, I will show you it how. I will do it. Let's delete this all. We will introduce variable and we will write integer. What I'm exactly doing, you will just understand within a fraction of seconds. Okay. 5.7. After that, b equals to what I'm doing. I'm just writing something like writing in other forms. That is, this is in float type. This is an character or the string, because it is written in anything that is written in semicolon or semicolon, that is considered as an character or the string by the compiler in Python, especially. Okay. And anything written as an decimal format, it is considered as a float by default. We have discussed in earlier session. So what I'm doing exactly, I'm telling to the computer that, or the compiler that, convert this number which is an float to an integer data type. Okay, they will convert it. Okay, how we will see that? We will not only convert it, we will to tell to computer that print for it. Okay, print for us a comma of a. Okay, so now I will do copy pasting. Okay, that's the most easiest thing I do in my life. Okay, copy and paste, copy and paste. Yeah. Here I will do print p, and here I will do p. Okay, most of the things I copy and paste from ChatGPT. Okay, like report any report on any project or the seminar that I'm conducting or any session that I have to speak up on. I just take all the info from ChatGPT and copy and paste it in email while writing email. So yeah, I'm becoming a lazy day by day. But what's the point is, it will help you. Okay, it will help you. It will, if you use it considerably. I mean, if you use it quality wise, it will genuinely help you. Okay. So here I had told this. I introduced to the computer that it as an 5.7, but I have set it to convert it into an integer data type. So it convert it into an integer data type. Okay. But so while converting, they said we will not take fraction as it doesn't come with integer. So they will only print 5. Okay. Here also they will convert this 10 into integer data type, that is 10. Okay. Here 10 is written in semicolon, and here semicolon on double colon. Here it is written in float type, but it is getting converted into integer. Okay. So that's was all conversion of float and character or the string into an integer type. Okay. So now we will see about the conversion of integer and string into float. Okay. So here I will say convert it in a float. What we are going to convert? Integer and string. So let's take an integer, anything. Let's take 9. Then b equals to, yeah, I've done something very bad thing. Okay. Yeah. That's the thing that I should not have done as a good engineer. That I have removed print a comma that sentence or that instruction. Okay, that's the silly things that I'm doing right now. I have done converting of integer to float. Now I will convert string to float. Let's take an string as an what string we can take? Let's take string as an 3 point. Sorry, I have just messed up the things in previous before minutes. I have said semicolon to it. Okay, now I realize it is not a semicolon. Okay, sorry for that. After that, I will say print a comma type of what? A. Yeah, type of A. Have you ever done coding in your lab work? Yeah. Have you ever done coding seriously in your lab, in your college lab? I hope so. You have not done. If you have done that, you are the master. Salute to me. Because all we do in our lab is bakchodi. Nothing greater than it. Okay. Yeah. We get converted it into float. As it is on float, there must be an decimal fraction type. So 9 is not not as seems like an integer, seems like an float. So they convert it into a float to seems like it and float. They introduce 0.0. Okay. So that's all that compiler can do. But we can do many more things. Like we will now convert. What we will do? We will convert. We have done about integer to. No, we have done conversion of float and string to integer, and now integer and character or the string to an float. Now we will do integer and float to string. So we will do string conversion. Okay. Integer and float. Okay. Float is like this. Okay, of course it is like this, and we will converting it into a str. Okay. So we will run the program, and here we go 9 and 3.2. Yeah, that's the smart thing you can do without deleting the whole program. Okay. Then after that we will just convert. Now we have come across one new data type, that is Boolean. Then we will work upon that. What we will do? We will do conversion of integer to an Boolean. Let's write Boolean here. I will write here Boolean. Okay. I will write here C equals to. Yes. Boolean what? 0. Here I will introduce some negative things. That's all. That we will not fade up not mess up the things. Like, yeah, he only examine that, which is easy for us. Many teachers do that. Okay. The examples which are easy, they just illustrate in the class, and which are harder, they give homework to the students, especially the school teachers. Okay, they have done it rigorously. Okay, in their life. I don't like it. Yeah, I don't like it. Yeah. So I have told you, Boolean is also considered as an 0 or 1. 1 is for true, especially not specifically 1. Anything that is not an 0, okay, is considered as an. I'm talking about integer only. Anything that is not a 0, it's considered as an true value. Anything which is 0, of course, only one thing that is 0, 0. Okay, that's considered as a false. As easy as that. Okay. So now we'll convert. What we will convert? We will convert float to Boolean. Any float value you will suggest me? Okay. Float value 2.3 minus 2.4. Okay. And here I will do 0.0 is considered as a float. I'll print this. What they are saying? They are saying that I have done here a mistake. That is a huge mistake. Yeah, so now they are good. Okay, good. So here, true, and false. Obviously, I have told you anything that is 0, which can be in a float also, 0.0 is actually an 0. So it is considered as an false, and anything that is not 0 is considered as an true value. It is applicable in float also, that we have clearly see here. Okay, so now we will convert a string to a Boolean. Okay, so first of all, let me write here string. After that, let me write here string. There is a small request from me. Just watch my video and share with your friends. Okay. Many of you will not, but just share with your friends. Okay. This helps me a lot. I will introduce one more thing here. Okay. For the conversion of. I have messed up the thing here. No matter, I will go with. Okay. I would like bull, Red Bull, not bull. Harshad Mehta bull. I think many of the teenagers right now doing trading, like they do in labs. Many of my friends start doing in lab, and they tell me that please handle this teacher or professor. We will do trading time, okay? And they earn a lot, okay? They earn 1,000 rupees a day. Some of my friends. So that's the power of stock. I hope I have written all the stuffs that is necessary. If I am not, I will. I have not written E here. I will write print E on my type of E. Okay. So I have given the space here. If you are working on it, okay, let me clear that thing. This is an integer. I have not introduced any integer. I will convert this integer to Boolean. I will convert this float to Boolean. I will convert this what I can say. We are converting string now. So all things must be in. Okay, all things must be in. I have just messed up the things here. Okay. So minus 10. At converting string to an float. Okay. We can introduce string as with R and we will convert it into an boolean. We will just make space it as an empty. Okay. Instead of 2, we will try here 0. Because many of you think that 0 is considered as an false in integer and float, as well as it will considered as an false as in this data type also, string also, but it is not. Okay. So what will be the answer? They are saying that print e comma type of e where e is not defined by you. Yeah. I don't know why I'm just making these mistakes. I'm just making this mistake for you to know that every teacher do. Okay. स्कूल में वही होता था यार. टीचर क्या बोलते थे, मैं ये मिस्टेक, अगर कोई मिस्टेक हो गई, मैं ये मिस्टेक कर रही हूँ क्योंकि तुम सीखना चाहिए, तुम. अरे ये नहीं बताता कोई कि मिस्टेक हुई है, बट मैं बता रहा हूँ मेरे से मिस्टेक हुई है. ओके, सॉरी फॉर दैट. So here, yeah, there is a irony here. 0 is not considered as an false. Okay, because it is an string. Here minus 10 is not considered as, of course, it is an true. Vidar is considered as truth. But wait a minute. Here space is considered as an false. Space or empty string. Okay, considered as an false, not a space. It is an empty string. It's considered as a false. Why? Because it has null value. Null value means 0. 0 means false. That's all. So here we will end up this session. I know I have done some very, very bad things in this video. Discuss some. However, if my school teacher watch it, they will just call me back. I don't know. They remember me a lot. Some of my teachers, but let it be. So please subscribe, share this video to all your friends. If you do so, then write in comment the names of friend or the Instagram ID of your friend, and I will give you something. Yeah, not something means I will give you some sort of incentives or the gifts. Okay. So we will close this video, close this chapter. Bye bye.